What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Instagram and specifically how you can make $1,000 in the next 7 days. Now, real quick, before we get into it, there's going to be two exact methods that I'm going over. I'm going to give you the exact strategies to them. And yes, I do have a list right now. I just got $6,000 Invisalign. I had braces before when I was a kid. My dog ate my retainer, so I just dropped 6 G's on Invisalign and also $20 on this rose t-shirt. So guys, we're going to talk about how to make money on Instagram, how you can in the next 7 days. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, really quick guys, before we dive into it, make sure that you tap that notification bell right now so you can receive more annoying videos from me on how to make money on Instagram, how to make money online, and really how to just succeed at building an online brand in general. Now, I'm going to give you 2 exact strategies on this video today, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, this will work regardless of what niche you have. If you have a personal brand, a repost account, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to use both of these methods that I'm going over right now today. Now, if you have any questions at all along the way, do drop them in the comments. I will reply to every single one of you guys. And in just a little bit here, I'm going to go over the comment of the week. Every single week, I pick my best, most favorite comment from you guys that are watching, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I read it and use it as a teaching point. So I am going to be dropping the comment of the week and reading it to you guys right on this video. So without further ado, let's get into method number 1 for how to make money on Instagram with this 7-day Instagram challenge so you can make $1,000 in the next 7 days. So the first method that I want you guys to use is I simply want you to go make a Clickbank account. Go to Clickbank, sign up for the affiliate program so you can look at all of the affiliate offers. Now, what's different about this is you can literally go in there and search affiliate offers by niche. So say, for example, you have a food account, okay? You can go to like the food, cooking, and wine section and you'll see all of these offers. In this section, it will show you all of the data as far as the average ticket price, the percentage that converts into sales, the commission rate, all of that different stuff, if they have upsells, downsells, etc. Now in here, you'll find audio tapes, you'll find books, you'll find recipe books, you'll find tools, you'll find like home brewing kits for making beer and stuff like that. So you can find the alcoholics on Instagram, market this to them. Now, whatever your niche is, maybe you're in the education, maybe you have like a K through 12 account teaching English or Spanish. There's products for that. It doesn't matter what the niche is, this works. So you find a product that you think looks really good, and then the next thing you do is go survey your audience on Instagram. Run an Instagram story, have a poll asking them what it is that they'd like to learn, what it is that they would like to hear you share more of. So you get that information from them and then you go, oh my gosh, here's a product on Clickbank that it sounds like caters to the exact things that my audience says they want. Now, what would this look like? You then take that product, you start messaging your followers, you start messaging the people that like and comment on your post, you start messaging back the very few people that voted on your poll or answered your question when you ask them what it is that they would like to learn. And you go right back to them and you say, hey, awesome, I took into consideration what you said you wanted to learn, and I have a solution for you, and I really want to help you get started. I've been going through it. I know it's going to do wonders for you. I think it's great. Would you like to hear about it? Of course, they're going to say yes. They say yes. You build a little bit of rapport, you get the conversation going, and then you give them your affiliate link to that product you found on Clickbank. They see that, one of 2 things is going to happen. They're going to buy it or they're not. If they don't, you follow up with them and you work to get the sale, okay? But the reality is you're not going to have, it's called friction. You're not going to have tons of friction with this because you're simply selling back to them the exact thing they said they wanted to get in the first place. They want it. Put the product in front of them, boom, sell it, you're making sales. Now, if you want to reach that $1,000 per week point or climb up above there, pick a product that makes sense to you, okay? It's going to be a $100 price point. Clickbank says you're going to get paid $50. That means that out of the 5,000 followers, out of the 10,000 followers you have, and out of all this engagement that you're getting, okay, you just got to message how many people, all right? Maybe you message 100 people and 50 of them end up buying. 50 times 50, what is it? That's $2,500. $2,500. $2,500, guys, in your pocket. You don't need that many people. You need 25. You only need 25. Okay? Maybe it's a $50 product, pays a $25 commission. You only need 50 people to make that 1,000. Now, in a second, I'm gonna go over the second method. I'm gonna give you a bonus method for any of you guys to be able to get started, regardless of how big or small your following is. If you're brand new, if you have 5 followers, 5,000, or 5 million followers, it doesn't matter. We'll get into that. Now, really quick, what I wanna do is read my comment of the day right now before we get into strategy number 2 and the bonus strategy for you guys. And make sure to smash the like button right now. Seriously, required, smash the like button. All right, gonna read the comment of the day. So guys, comment of the week here. I've got one comment here. Giorgio Hernandez writes, "Hey Ben, thank you so much for the value that you put out. Really appreciate your information." Giorgio, appreciate you saying that. You didn't have to say that, man. Says, "I have grown over 100,000 followers using the information that I've learned in your course. I've been making some money, but very recently I've been thinking of starting an Instagram agency. What is the best way that you would propose that I do that?" Okay, so great question there, Giorgio. This is what I would say. Agency, when you're starting an Instagram agency, okay, one thing I highly recommend is that the scope of your work is more on the consulting side than the dirty work. If there's any dirty work, like, you know, responding to DMs, comments, managing things, posting, creating hashtag sets, captions, all of that stuff, running ads, okay, I would do that as long as you need to do that. Then train members of your team up, outsource that so you can do just the consulting side of it. So then you go get more clients. Your job's to grow the company, get more clients, get the company out there more, increase the revenue, outsource the little stuff. Keep your scope of work to getting clients, marketing clients, closing clients, consulting clients, and then outsource the dirty work. As long as you outsource once you understand it and you know that you can get that client results, okay? Now, the next thing I recommend is stay in one niche, okay? You can just say, hey, real estate. I'm gonna focus on real estate clients. Plenty of realtors out there, all right? $1.1 million worth of land right here, just next to my land. And they're selling, it's 100 acres, all right? Big commission if you can help them get a deal, all right? Realtors, great. Plastic surgeons, great. Stay in one niche. And that way you're focused, and just scalability is gonna be so much better. That's what I recommend for you, Mr. Giorgio Hernandez. Now, before we get into the next strategy for you guys, 7-day challenge, making $1,000, how to make money on Instagram, let me put my iPad down. There goes Amazon Prime right behind me. E-commerce, that's great. So the next thing that I want to talk about, guys, is using Amazon. That couldn't have been better, actually. That couldn't have been better. An Amazon Prime van literally just drove by right behind us. You guys saw that, right? So just using Amazon. Okay, strategies that I'm going to recommend. You can do this with any product, with any good, with any service. It doesn't really matter. Okay, go become an Amazon affiliate. All right, itch my ear for a sec. Go become an Amazon affiliate, and then go find a book on Amazon. Maybe Robert Kiyosaki's book, like Rich Dad Poor Dad or something like that. Find a book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Carnegie. It doesn't matter. All right, find a book. All right, people read books. People love books. People still read books. They're still relevant. Get the affiliate link to it. Go out, network in your account once again. And just approach it. Hey, I've been reading this awesome book. It's really good. Have you ever heard about it? Awesome. Have you read it? No. Oh my gosh, you need to read it. I actually got a discount link I can give you, but only if you're gonna get the book, because my gosh, it's really important. It's helping me in my business. It's really changing my mindset. It's doing whatever for you, all right? And they're like, yeah, no, I want it. Give them your affiliate link to the book. They buy the book. You follow up with them. All right, did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Great, all right? And don't literally say did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? You know what I mean though. Finesse, build rapport, make friends. All right, awesome. All right, checking in. Did you get the book? You need, man, I'm telling you, you need to get it. Yeah, no, I ordered it. Okay, awesome. Congratulations. Now, books usually going to be $10, $15, $20, maybe $25, right? So I suggest that a book, really good way to get this started. If you want to scale up and reach that $1,000 faster, you're going to be able to scale that more by having higher priced products, right? So you might want to start finding those $50, $100, $200 products, etc., because it's working smarter and harder, all right? You're just being more efficient with your time. If you find 5 people to buy a $200 product, it's $1,000. If it's a $1 product, you gotta find 1,000 people. So find that balance, market it. Now, if you're sitting here telling me, hey Ben, I don't have a big following on Instagram, here's what I want you to do. I want you to implement the 502 strategy, which I have actually included right below this video. The link is in the description to one of my other videos that teaches you exactly how to implement the 502 strategy, because if you don't have a big following, this networking strategy is gonna enable you to be able to do that. Now, lastly, before I go here, all right, I wanna make sure that you get on the Instagram Mastery web class All it's gonna cost you is a little bit of your time. I want you to show up because I've trained over 4,000 people. I have members in 137 different countries, and my members have earned a combined over $10 million in verified income. All because of their knowledge of Instagram, all because of this training, which I've included. Link is in the description. Appreciate you guys. I hope you are ready to kill it now that you've learned how to make money on Instagram with this 7-day challenge. My name is Ben Oberg. My face is getting fried because I am a ginger and I tan like a lobster. So like, comment, smash the like button, tap the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.